Hey guys, so the purpose of this video today is because I am noticing a lot of scholars are struggling with knowing where to start as it relates to solving a word problem. So we are going to use a strategy called cubes to help us unpack and solve for word problems. So let's check it out. In word problems, cubes, the cube strategy is the C. The C stands for circle numbers and units. The U stands for underline the question. The B stands for box up math clues. So math clues or math keywords, they're kind of words that hint to the operation. Do I need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? And then E stands for evaluate. You want to weigh out, okay, what is information that I need? And what is information I can eliminate? What can I throw away? What don't I need? And then finally, the S stands for solve or solve and show your word. Okay, so let's get to it. So our math message is there are 6 cars and 4 bikes in the parking lot. What is the total number of wheels and cars and what is the total number of wheels on the cars and bikes? All right, so the first step is C. I need to circle my key numbers and units. Well, in the math message, there are 6 cars. Let's do that. There are 6 cars and there are 4 bikes that I'm circling. Next, it says underline the question. The question in this problem is, what is the total number of wheels and cars and bikes? All right, next step. So the next step is to box math clue words that help me figure out, am I going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide? One key word that sticks out to me is total, because that hints to me that I may need to add or multiply. So now this is the evaluating part. I need to figure out what information I need, what can I throw away? Where I know there are 6 cars and 4 bikes, and I need to figure out what is the total number of wheels across both the bikes and the cars. Well, I know one car has 4 wheels. And I also know one bike has 2 wheels. So this is information I already know. If I need to figure out the total number of wheels between cars and bikes, I know that one of my operations needs to be adding. That's one of the operations I'm using. So I need to find the sum across cars and bikes. But the word problem says I need to figure out the number of wheels on 6 cars. So I'm going to solve for how many wheels are in the cars first. Okay, so 6 cars times 4 wheels, 6 times 4 equals 24. Now I need to solve for the wheels on bikes. In my word problem, I have 4 bikes. That needs to be in the bike section. I have 4 bikes, and each bike has 2 wheels, and 4 times 2 equals 8. So there are 24 wheels across 6 cars, and there are 8 wheels across 2 bikes. All right, so now I need to figure out how many number of wheels are across both cars and bikes. So I need to simply add 24 wheels plus 8 wheels. And that's what the W stands for. 24 plus 8 equals 32. All right, so did I solve my problem? Does my answer make sense? To me, it makes sense. How can I double check my work? So this is actually an area of growth for a lot of scholars. You get to the answer and then you want the teacher to tell you if you got the right answer or the wrong answer. The cool thing is you can solve for that yourself. You can figure out if your answer is correct. Since we just added, all we have to do is go backwards. Since my sum between 24 and 8 is 32, All I have to do is go backwards. 32 minus 8. If I'm correct, 32 minus 8 should equal 24. If I'm wrong, 32 minus 8 will give me another number. So let me check my work. This is me checking my work. Let me use a different color to check. So 32 minus 8. And that should give me 24. This is how I know I'm right. If it doesn't give me 24, I'm wrong. 2 ones minus 8 ones. I don't have enough ones. I need to borrow a 10 from the 3. The 3 will become a 2. The 2 becomes a 12 because I borrowed a 10. 12 minus 8 equals 2. 2 minus nothing. I'm sorry, 12 minus 8 equals 4. I said that so confidently and I was wrong. 12 minus 8 equals 4. 2 minus nothing equals 2. Is the answer 24? Yup. So that means my answer is correct. I have 24 wheels across the bikes and the cars. Hopefully the cube strategy helped you to unpack and better understand to solve for a math word problem. See you later.